Here we go.
Northeast at 5 miles an hour. During potentially dangerous weather conditions, especially your receivers are automatically activated to warn of continued severe weather and or hazards for the Florida Panhandle, southeast Alabama, southwest and south central Georgia. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon local time. When there is a threat for existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed until the next available non-severe or non-blizzard day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for watches and warnings. Advisory is on Tropical Storm Eta, located inland over Central American.
Hello, Chelsea.
This concludes the weekly test of the new weather radio warning alarm and the emergency alert system for the entire county warning area serviced by the Tallahassee Weather Forecast Office. The coastal waters for the following: Appalachia Bay or coastal waters from Eaton Beach to Ocklawaha River. Coastal Thursday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 70s.
Channel 2 hasn't done their test yet. KIH24 did their test pretty early. See, it's only at like 11:03. Okay. What the? Barely anything went off. Okay, like seriously.
Tonight,
This went off, which I'm glad about.
seas 2 to 3 feet, 8 to 5.
Okay.
Dominant period 4 seconds. Midnight. Protected waters of moderate chop. Thursday. Northeast winds 15 to 20 knots. 4 feet. Dominant.
See, the 120 went off. Channel 2 hasn't done theirs yet.
Has issued a practice test warning message in support of the 2020 Georgia Severe Weather Preparedness Day. The practice warning is in effect until 9:35 a.m. for all counties in Georgia. There will be no follow-up message. Had this been an actual warning, think about what you would do right now if you work at home, school,
Channel 2 aired the message!
or in the car.
Oh. I didn't know Channel 2 did the drill!
To 6 feet with occasional seas up to 8 feet.
Channel 2 did the drill, and I didn't. Okay. Okay, the Bearcat went off. See, look. What?
Up to 8 feet. Protected waters choppy.
But seriously.
No threat. This drill message will also serve as the weekly routine test for NOAA weather radio transmitters in the listening area. If you have any questions about this tornado drill,
Okay. Okay, I'm really confused. So, Channel 2 turned to practice demo. And now they're not doing the test. Which is dumb. But at least this one off.